Okay, so the Roman two parts, you see the root are equal. Now, on our session quadratic question, I mentioned about the nature of the root of the quadratic equation, and to best memory, I spoke about three in details. So I spoke about root being equal, root being real and different, root being real and imaginary. Okay, now here we're dealing with real and equal. And for real and equal roots, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now what is the quadratic equation that we got? From the equation we have this. Okay, so our b here is equals to negative 2 into 1 plus 3k, and our c is equal to 7 into 2k plus 3. Our a is equals to 1. So now you have b squared minus 4ac. We're going to have this negative b. Sorry, let's get this wrong. Get rid of this. Negative 2 1 plus 3k, all is squared, minus 4 into 7, 2k plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now when you are squaring this, okay, this negative 4, this negative 2 when squared becomes a 4, and here as well we have a 4. So to simplify this, we're going to get rid of this guy and get rid of this guy. Alright guys, yeah, we're going to get rid of them. So when we get rid of them and we open these all brackets, we're going to have 1 plus 6k plus 9k squared. Okay, now minus this other side, which we're going to have 14k. Right, 14k minus 21 is equal to 0. So now again, we're going to deal with the quadratic equation, which we have to solve and get our values. So we have 9k squared minus 8k. Let me divide this place into 2, might not have enough space. Minus 8k, okay, minus 20 is equal to 0. Now again, we'll do the factorization method. If you want to try the formula method or the computing square method, you're free to do that, my friend. It's all up to you, but the main aim is we should have the same answer. And do not forget that whenever you're solving a problem, try to find the most efficient, most effective, and time friendly. That is, you should save a lot of time and a lot of resources, and time is a very, very important resource. So always try to analyze which method is best, which method is not the best, because in some situation factorization method will not be possible because the particular equation cannot be factorized, especially in case of real and imaginary roots. When a quadratic equation has the nature of real and imaginary, like you factorize all day, oh, it will be very difficult for you to get an answer. You should get an answer, yeah, but at what cost? You missed an exam because of one question? Oh, come on, buddy. So yeah, a times c gives 120, sorry, 180, and we have a negative 8 here. Okay, so for the arithmetic part, is all up to you. So yeah, if you want to understand deeply this breakdown of the process, make sure you check the video on quadratic way of solving factorization methods. But again, like I tell you, the main thing is just look for the value, two numbers, which when you multiply give you AC, and when you add will give you B. So here are my two numbers: 9k squared minus 18k plus 10k minus 20 is equal to 0. So here we have 9k into k minus 2 plus 10k minus 2 equals to 0. It is implied that k is equals to 2 or k is equal to negative 10 or 9. Okay guys, that was it for the first part of the question. So these are your values here. So in the next video we're going to be solving question 5 of June 2012, which is related to the topics which we are treating. So see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider sharing with your friends to look something like you. And don't forget to suggest your questions, because we all over the world we're connected to the internet, so you might be coming from a different countries and you're facing difficulties in some questions. Feel free to post in the comment section. I will surely have time to do a video on that. And again, your friends can surely help you, or your mates can surely help you with that. So with all that, see you in the next video.